everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will show you how you can embed a Vimeo video in HTML. First, open your web browser and go to vimeo.com. Then, select the video you want to embed and click on the three dots below the video. Here you can click on Copy Embed Code and go to your HTML code and paste it here. Or the second option is to go back to the video and click on it. And here, click on Embed. And here, as you can see, is the embed code. You can click on this toggle to adjust the width and the height of your picture, and then copy the code and go to your HTML code again and paste it there. Now click on Run. And here we go. We can change the width and the height of the video. Let's do 540 in the height, and then click on Copy Embed Code. Now go to your go back to your code, and here insert your code again. Then click on Run. And as you can see, the height and the width have been changed. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye!